Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily pin or send your location on absolutely any iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, also put likes under the video and write your comments. So friends, let us get started with you. And it will be very easy to share any location through, for example, a message. Please open the message on your iPhone. Go to the correspondence that you want to share, and now, friends, you will need to tap on the left of the message bar on the plus sign. Now select the location. And as you can see, there's this kind of pin sign that appears that automatically shows you where you are. And you can either click Send Pin Your Location, or if you want a different location, you can move your pin to wherever you want it to go. As you can see, you can zoom in and out of the map. And after, friends, once you've selected the geolocation you want, click Share Location. And then, to continue, just click right here to share your message. Friends, this is how easy it is for you to put locations or share any location on iPhone. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also be sure to put your likes under the video and write comments. See you, friends.